The mission of LEED is to contribute to create more and better quality jobs. When we are responding to the crisis, there is one key lesson that it is important to note from the past 10 years of economic growth. It is not because the economy has generated high levels of skills and high levels of innovation that firms actually use these skills and use these talents and the new technology that is available. When we carry out our cross-country comparative projects at OECD, we observe that in all OECD countries, there are concentrations of firms, clusters of enterprises, sectors of the economy that survive at the low end of the market, only producing low-quality jobs. So obviously, this does not contribute to lifting salaries, lifting living standards. It doesn't contribute to create attractive environments for talents, for skills, for capital. It doesn't help the disadvantaged regions to move forward. It keeps them backwards, and it leaves them vulnerable to economic downturns. And this is what we're seeing today. This is often regions which are destroying many jobs. What we need to do is to help localities and regions, and therefore countries, to move away from these low skills equilibrium and to progress towards high skill, high productivity equilibriums that can create good quality jobs. So it's all very good to stimulate innovation. We need to continue to do that. It's all very good also, of course, to stimulate investment in human capital and to foster skills development. But it is equally important to work with enterprises and ensure that they will use the talents, the skills available, and the new technology. Green jobs and the green sector are good examples of that. They are combining skills and new technology innovatively. So for local organizations, for government offices, for public services, it's not business as usual. They need to work together and help enterprises and support this process of improving productivity. For public services in the labor market, for example, labor agencies, they should not only connect job seekers with vacancies. They should work with economic development agencies, they should work with training organizations, and together they should work with enterprises to see how they could improve skills utilization, technology transfer, where new forms of work organizations can be introduced. This means new ways of working. It means that we should take an integrated approach to the demand and the supply of skills. Government should support this process. They should inject flexibility in the management of public policy in order to broaden the sets of possibilities at the local level. It means that we should build capacities. We should strengthen the local intelligence base, which can be used to support strong strategies and strong decisions and programs at the local level. We need to build leadership. We need to build strong partnership, and we need to build a strong entrepreneurial culture. And this is what LEED does. We work with government to help them break down barriers. We work with government to establish strong partnerships with local stakeholders. We work with them to assess where flexibility should be injected in the management of public policy. We also work directly with practitioners on the ground to build their capacity in local development, in stimulating entrepreneurship, in skills development, and also in making sure there is a vibrant civil society. These are all essential steps that we need to take if we want to progress towards a better prosperity in a global economy, especially in uncertain times.